got going on here. We're going to be cleaning all this driveway. Right now we're just pre-treating this driveway in the concrete with some detergents. So just getting that pre-treated. We're going to be cleaning the house. We're cleaning all the brick. It's actually all cleaned up now. We're just climbing back and rinsing it down. And these gutters, there's a lot of in the back of the house. If you ever notice this on your gutters, here's a nice brick coming out, nice, beautiful. If you ever notice the back of your gutters, you may have tiger striping like this. You get those black stripes in your gutters. So they have to be hand scrubbed. We have a special product that we use just for tiger stripes and gutters. So I'll take a little video of that and show that also.
Alright, so we're applying the gutter scrub onto the gutters. It needs to be brushed in to be effective. So we need to brush it into the gutters. And then after that, we'll go ahead and wash down the exterior of the gutters and get them nice and clean again.
Alright, so after the gutter scrub, got some nice white gutters again. This one over here is not ready yet. We just started putting some of our detergents on it. You can see all the black streaks. So as you can see, after our gutter scrub, all the nasty black streaks are gone. So now that all the concrete is pre-soaked, we'll come in with our surface cleaner and we'll scrub it all down. And after we scrub it down, come back to a rinse. So this is the driveway after we rinsed it. Nice and
So give us a call today for all your exterior cleaning needs. 856-512-0008 or visit us at greenwaypressurewashing.com.